Hey homeowners, Mendy here with my insurance claim expert, brought to you by Panther Public Adjusting. If your house was hit with flood damage, you're probably overwhelmed right now. You're dealing with soaked floors, ruined furniture, and of course a whole mountain of stress. But here's something most people don't realize. What you do right now can make or break your insurance payout. That's why today I'm going to show you why having a public adjuster is a total game changer when it comes to flood claims. When people hear flood, what do they think? They think water, but it's not just water. It's damage to your walls, electric systems, cabinets, mold growth, and even potentially structural issues. And the cleanup is expensive and it needs to be handled right away. Many homeowners think insurance will cover it all, but here's the twist. Flood damage isn't always straightforward in your policy. In fact, mostly it's written by NFIP and it's going to be much more complicated than your standard insurance policy. Insurance companies are great at marketing, but they're not really that great at paying out their claims. See, many will argue that the water came from something else other than flood so that they don't have to cover it. They may say it's a plumbing issue, a roof issue, or any other reason such as, oh, but it can't be flood because your neighbor didn't flood. Bottom line is, they're going to look for a reason to pay you less or not at all. See, that's where Panther Public Adjusting comes in. As licensed public adjusters, we represent you, not the insurance company. We handle everything from documenting every inch of damage to negotiating with the insurance company on your behalf. See, we know the exact language your policy uses. We know what they try to exclude, and we know how to fight for the maximum payout to get your house and your life back to normal. End of the day, if you've had flood damage, don't go it alone. Before you call your insurance company, call Panther Public Adjusting at 833-PANTHER. We're here to protect your house, your finances, and of course your peace of mind. Hey guys, this is Mendy with my insurance claim expert. I hope you found this information useful as always. Please like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've ever battled your insurance company on a flood claim. We'd love to hear your experience.